Hi buds, welcome back to our channel. Hi Danny. Errands. So we have been putting off going to the grocery for like the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. We just don't feel like going to the grocery. But there's this really bad storm coming in. It's coming in from Cali, so we need groceries just in general. But in case we get these 14 inches of snow, I'd rather be prepared than be unprepared. So Tiny and Mom are heading out to the store to go get that done, and then we'll see what the rest of the day holds. Welcome back, guys. We are done at Walmart for now. Oh my gosh, excuse me, my glasses. Yeah, that's rain because it's raining. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining, like a lot of rain. Doing a lot of raining right now. But we are heading out to get some Taco Bell. While we're out, we'll grab some lunch, and then we will head back home for the rest of the day because I do not want to be out in this rain, and my windshield wiper in the back of my van is broken. Rude. How rude. How rude. All right, we are still sitting at Taco Bell. We're waiting on our food. Oh, we're moving. We still got a couple cars in front of us. So, yeah. Like I said, we don't really have anything else to do today. Yeah, what happened to our umbrella? It did go backwards. So, Mima met us out at Walmart. She was out running some errands, so she met us out there and she let us use the umbrella because it started pouring down rain. And of course, as I'm using it to get Tiny in the car, the wind catches it and it blows it the other way. So it blew the umbrella inside out, and she thought it was the funniest thing. No. And Uncle Carl fixed it, huh? He fixed it for us.
Oh, was it broken?
It's not broken. He fixed it. It just blew the other way.
Did you catch it?
Yeah, I caught it. I didn't let it go. It's green. I can go through the light now. All right, let's go home. So the rain has stopped in the amount of time it took us to go to Taco Bell to get some food. We did kind of wait a while. It was like 15-20 minutes at Taco Bell, which it's fine.
Still raining, Mom?
No, it's not. It's done raining.
Is it gonna
It was thunder. It was a thunderstorm. It was like thundering and storming and pew 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 pew. It's going to rain for the rest of the day. And then the temperature is supposed to drop, and then it's supposed to freeze, and then it's supposed to snow, and they say we can get up to like 14 inches of snow or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, we'll head home. We'll have some lunch. We'll wait for sisters to get out of school. It's already 3 o'clock, so they will be out for the weekend in less than an hour. And then, I am not sure what the rest of the day holds. Gotta make dinner. Not sure what I'm making for dinner yet. You want chicken noodle soup for dinner? Alright, chicken noodle soup is what Tiny says is for dinner. So, alright, so we are pulling into the cul-de-sac. And guess what? It is raining again. Yeah. It's raining again. Yep. Hey buds, welcome back. We are chilling. Emerson's doing dishes, trying to.
Oh, our makeup. Mine is Mermaid Galaxy.
Close your eyes.
Mermaid Galaxy. I love it a lot. And I'm doing dishes right now, right?
Doing dishes. Because you gotta keep the kids working, right? Not doing much. Hanging out.
And having fun and doing our monkey business.
Oop, I totally stabbed you with my tail, didn't I?
Did you see the cake? Are
Ow!
you okay? I'm so sorry. Like, did I just...
Okay, it's good. It's fine. But anyways, spend the rest of the night kind of chilling, hanging out, not doing much of anything. Tomorrow's Saturday, no big plans, so what?
Why are you vlogging?
You know to vlog tomorrow? Probably do some recording tomorrow.
This is your birthday next year.